Hey guys, welcome to the 12th Autodesk Inventor tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to continue looking at constraints. And the first constraint that we're going to be looking at in this tutorial is the symmetric constraint. And the symmetric constraint will basically just make it so that one side of a line is the exact copy or mirror image of the other side. So the first thing that we're going to want to do right here is just draw two circles. And we're basically going to constrain these circles with the symmetric constraint right here to make it so that one circle is an exact copy or mirror image of the other circle. Alright, so we just have one big circle and one small circle. And then in between both of these circles, we're just going to draw a line. And this line will act as the line of symmetry. So we're going to make it so that this side is an exact mirror image or copy of this side. So we're just going to go ahead and apply the fixed constraint so that it's forced to change this side so that it cannot change this side. So we're just going to get that fixed constraint up there, select this circle, and now this circle is fixed, so it cannot be moved or changed, meaning that when we apply that symmetric constraint, it will be forced to change this side of the line since it cannot change this side. So we're just going to go up to that symmetric constraint, and whenever you're working with a symmetric constraint, you're first going to want to select the two objects that you want to make symmetrical. So we're just going to select this one and this circle over here. And then after you've selected both of those objects, you're just going to want to go ahead and select the line of symmetry. So we're just going to select this line right here, and as soon as I do so, we should see that, yep, it changed this side right here, this circle, so that it's exactly symmetrical to this circle over here. And you can really do this with anything, so if you want to do it with lines or arcs or anything like that, it would work just the same. Alright, so that's pretty much all there is for the symmetric constraint. The next constraint that we're going to be looking at is this smooth constraint. And the smooth constraint will basically just smooth out a connection with a line and a spline. So we're just going to go ahead right here and draw two lines, so this line right here and another line down here. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect these two lines right here with a spline. So we're just going to go up to that spline tool right there and draw a spline connecting these two lines right there. Alright, so when I create the spline, you'll see that it's sort of like a hard angle right here in between this spline and this line. It's not really smooth. So if we wanted to make this connection, I guess, smoother, what we could do is just go up to this smooth constraint and then select this line and then the spline. And as soon as you do so, or as soon as I do so, we see that it actually changed that spline so that it made it smoother. So it's more of a gradual change now. And we could just go ahead and apply that smooth constraint in between this line and the spline as well. So if we wanted to make the change between this spline and this line smooth, we could just go ahead and do that. So we just, again, select that smooth constraint, select our line and our spline, and we see that now it just made that much smoother, and now it just doesn't look all crazy like it did before. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial on using the symmetric and the smooth constraint. In the next tutorial, I'm pretty sure we're going to finish up with all the constraints, and then we can get into some more fun stuff, I guess. Alright, so see you guys.